Hey there, beloved entrepreneurs. It's Hollywood Consulting here, and we're back with another video. Today, we're going to get into designing t-shirts and using Canva templates to do so. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any Hollywood Consulting content. Creating your own items to sell is way easier than you think. You can design your own products and set things up to sell on your own. Let's create a t-shirt. You can also use your own designs to sell on Shopify platforms like Printify and Printful. These things are both on-demand printing. It's easy to use. You can just upload your designs to the platform and you can print your design to so many different products, from t-shirts to book bags to hats and even home supplies. So yeah, let's get into designing our own things and using the templates from Canva. Okay, so we're going to get started on the Canva home screen. From the templates section from the side, you want to go ahead and type in t-shirts. This will pull up all of the actual t-shirt templates that Canva has to offer you, and as you can see, there are so many. I'm just going to scroll through so you can take a look at all of the options. They sort them by style, category, theme. Let's look at some of the styles. Here are the themes. Here's what's considered under featured and the colors, and you can always change the color options as well. But here are the designs that they have and the templates that you can click and customize, and I'm going to actually show you how. So I'm now just going to pick any random design that I find and show you how to customize it. So I'm going to pick this one. It's coffee themed, but here you can take a look at it, and it's cool because they show you what it looks like on a model, and so we'll just customize it. So this was really chosen at random, this design, because I'm really not into coffee, but we'll go ahead and use it as a base. So we'll change the actual image, and I'm going to search up some cowgirl stuff because everybody is into cowgirl and country because of Beyonce. So we'll do a little fun themed country shirt for the ladies. So now you can see over here they have so many different elements and graphics that you can choose from, already pre-made. You don't really have to do anything. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose some fun, colorful stuff so that you can kind of get the picture of how it works. Move it around, center it, and as you can also see, as it updates on one side, you can also see it actually update live on the t-shirt on the side too. So, but again, I like this one a little bit better. So I'm going to choose this one instead. It's all really cute either which way. And what's cool about this one is you can change the color to whatever color you want it to be. I'm actually going to just leave it black. So right now, I'm just going to scroll through and look and add some more fun stuff. This looks fun, so we'll go ahead and use this. Okay, just resizing it. Everything is easy, and you can see that everything again is updated in real time on the actual model t-shirt, so that's a really cool feature. Okay, so you get the picture of how easy it is to update and add new things. So it's really easy, and once that's done, you can look over here in real time and see they show it on the model, so that's really nice for you to see. And then if you choose to, you can actually print your t-shirt through Canva. Here are the options as far as the types of shirts that you can get, all different sizes from women's to men's, even infants. Here are the prices. The more you buy, of course, the cheaper it is. but you can see one shirt. So we'll just choose that, a woman's shirt. Or you can actually download the actual design that you just made, choose a transparent background, and then you can use it to upload to other sites. If you haven't already done so, be sure to take a look at the HWC and PowerSir digital courses. They're only $20 and they really will help you on your entrepreneurial journey. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. We've come to the end of another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to follow us on social media and like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss anything. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just